Roll of pennies, what are you, a Jew? Some of these new items are fucking wild.
Don't you like the new items though?
I mean, yeah, but it's just weird. Like, new item, fucking coffee. New item, a fucking roll-up of pennies. Like, on a spaceship, alright? This spaceship carrying a ton of goods. Why is a rolled-up penny one of them? I don't know what I'm trying to shoot. Coffee.
I saw that in fucking third person, dude. Fucking 4K.
Can you stop stealing my kills?
No, I'm a sniper.
Ooh, the wristwatch.
Oh no, it's gonna get broken automatically with you.
Fuck you.
Oh wait, Sammy, come towards me. I want to
Another
test something out. Everything, but I'm not sure if teammates. Nope.
Ah, damn it.
That
Patrolling
was
potential.
directly on you. I know.
But you know, that's kind of a good thing. I don't want you pushing me to the void.
Coward.
Fuck you. I'm ready to fight the boss.
How many items do you have? Not like you have a lot.
5.
Damn, you have way more than me. You fucking Jew.
Says the guy with the rolled up pennies.
How do I? Here, protect me real quick.
Really?
I forgot to type in chat.
Press enter.
Is it enter?
Yeah, that's literally, yes, you press enter first. That took me literally less than a second, Oscar. Oscar. You know I did that out, right? You're a bastard. Oh my god.
You weren't expecting that one, huh?
No, it wasn't. Fuck you. I had to edit that word out. Can't be saying such things.
I didn't say it though.
Fuck you. Don't.
You picked up a fucking war banner, dude? That's completely useless for both of us. Well, I mean, I already hit. Oh, fuck. Damn, that was a really good one. It's a good item.
I did it today. I was like, holy fuck, it was a red item. Broach. God damn it, Oscar. Stop stealing my fucking pistol kills. You bitch.
Bro, it's not like you're fucking, you're stacking Desperado.
You're right, but I have a crowbar. So I can just
And?
constantly stack. I can refresh all my skills.
Kill that, dude.
Give me my brooch.
Same here with you.
God damn it! Behind you. That's fine. Alright, you ready to fight the boss?
I need some more money. Give me some money, Sammy. Never mind, I got it. Getting some backup mags.
Let's go. It's so nice to be on computer again. Fuck, that Wi-Fi problem was so annoying.
Well, at least you can start making videos again.
Are you fucking serious? So I used the stompies and I was holding E. I landed on the shrine and I took most of my health. And I broke my fucking watch because of it. I don't want to play this anymore. That's so fucking dumb. Like, I land on the shrine because I was holding E, it automatically uses it. That's so fucking dumb. I was saving that so I can get most of the money when we went to the new place.
You bastard.
At least you got more money.
Yeah, $200 ain't much. I don't think it'll even buy me a chest.
Actually, can. They'll buy you one.
Ooh, that's nothing useful. There's a fucking medkit though. I'm
need
interested
that.
in this though.
Hey, you go snipe and get money.
How come you don't snipe? You coward.
Because you keep fucking stealing my snipes.
Sounds like a personal problem.
I'm taking that med kit. I need decent healing.
Are you joking?
What'd you
What
get?
a waste of money.
Death mark? Damn.
Yeah. For a character that basically one-shots, dude, Death Mark is like the most useless thing you can fucking pick up.
Crafting material at least.
It do be crafting material. Oh, cool. Talking about healing items.
Ah, fuck, I missed.
What a goober.
I was trying
What
to
a goober. What a goober. Look at this goober.
Hey,
Where's my...
goober is my word, okay? You can use a gooba.
I got pro gamer word.
Oscar, don't type in the chat again. I swear to God, I had to come through this footage every time, just to double check you didn't put the N word.
I'm gonna use a pro gamer word.
Stop. No.
Oh, ignition tank.
That's the pro gamer word? Arson?
Yes, sir. Professional.
Alright, so you going left or you going right?
You can never go wrong with.
I'm going left. So you go right. Power flask. Wait, it's power elixir, whoops.
Well, that would have been good for your, you know, your watches. How many green items do I have? Damn, I actually hit him.
Let's go. Give me more money. How good is the throwing knife?
The ninja stars, they're pretty good.
No, the throwing knife on Bandit. His other attack.
Oh. It's your regular knife, but with range. About this, basically the same shit. Just now you have range.
Damn, I've killed someone with stompies. Time to throw them away now. They've served their purpose.
I found it! Oh, I found it!
Good for you.
That means more items for both of us, Sammy.
You got mommy's credit card. What do you plan to buy?
She's the one that-
Controversy.
Is she the one that fucking gave some liquor to a cat?
Yep.
I support that.
You do realize that's poisonous for cats, right?
Is it?
Yeah, alcohol is very poisonous to cats. That's why she got so much fucking flack for it. She could have killed her cat.
Damn, cats are pussies then, what the fuck?
Shut up.
That's why you get a dog.
I don't think they can support liquor either.
Oh yeah, they can't even support grapes.
Yo, leech seeds.
Actually.
I shot your golem. I have no regrets.
Green. Oh, scrap. Regenning scrap.
Scrap it. Ready?
Not yet. I need to scrap 2 more things.
He's dead. You're welcome.
Alright, take us to the portal. About to get my free red item. Watch it be something completely garbage, dude. I don't know why you...
Yeah, that's a waste.
Such a waste. Yep.
Joke's on you. I get 150 points into X, 149 points into XP. So joke's on you. Wow. Oh, shaped glass. A domino. I don't know what that is. I don't know what the hell you are.
Are you? You know what?
What is that?
I will. I will do this.
What is that? Can I have a turn? Please? Thank you.
Surprisingly, it took all my good white items.
I need 2 more coins so I can buy artificial.
Oh yeah?
Fuck you. I'm playing shaped glass.
Alright, so I did not care for that.
Yeah, because you're fucking already got the character you're just gonna be playing for the rest of the game. I still need to unlock a mercenary. And desperado.
It's also because I already have every character unlocked too.
Oh, fuck you. Oh,
No, the only reason I'm saying that you're brave for that is because we're playing on Monsoon.
Yeah, I know.
2 shots. Oh yeah, you find crit glasses? Let me have those bad boys.
Yeah, because you get those crit chance converted to damage, right?
Yes sir.
I mean, I already get crit chance whenever I fucking go behind someone. I'm not worried about that.
I found this thing that you will love.
Afterburner? Fucking stupid.
A Topaz Pro.
Give it.
A 3D printer. Topaz.
What's the corrupted version of that? I'm curious.
There's no corrupt version of it.
Of the brooch, really? Or they're just like green items?
No, it's just a selected item. It's only a few, like a handful. So Craig glasses has one.
I know it's the chrono bobble thing he has one because I got it. Same thing with the
Yeah.
rusted key.
Yeah, same thing with the missiles. You get shrimp rockets.
Hey, there's a multi-shop.
I don't have the credit card no more, my guy.
So ungrateful. Wait a second. Is that what I think it is? Oh my god, the fire drop. Aren't you gonna pick that up?
Did it really drop?
Yeah, the fire drop. I literally picked it up. It's right here. Doesn't that make you at least immune to fire damage?
No, but you do fire damage.
I mean, I know that much. I mean, you should be immune to fire damage if you turn to a fire fiend. That just makes sense.
You know what I need now?
What?
What is it called? The tank.
Propane and propane accessories?
Si, senor.
I got pennies. I'm a Jew. That reminds me. Mind doing the band thing for me?
Sure thing.
'Cause I don't know how to fucking do that.
The best way to do it, if you're gonna be doing it like solo,
Mm-hmm.
engineer.
I don't have engineer locked. I'm not. So,
I have him unlocked with all his stuff.
because you're a fucking driver. I swear to God, we probably pay for like 30 minutes when the remaster comes out, and you're like, already have all the items. What do you mean? Skill issue.
It really would be a skill issue, Sammy.
Fuck off. Don't worry though, I just got multi.
Okay. You act like he's hard to get.
I'm just letting you know
Damn,
I got him.
I'm
man.
surprised you haven't unlocked Hunters yet, with how hard multi is to unlock. Here you go, stand on this one. stutter, my guy.
You dropping frames?
No, more like freezing.
Damn, sounds like you gotta upgrade your computer.
Maybe it's gonna be after all these crowbars. That's what's making me lag.
Oh god. You found the scrapper yet?
Yeah. Can't you tell about my 5 crowbars?
No.
Well, I have 5 crowbars.
I found it, Oscar.
You found it?
It was literally in that spot like that one game.
Yeah.
You can take both bands,
Coolios.
because I already have 3 fire bands.
How do you have 3 fire bands, my guy?
I had 2 in the first stage, I got another one this stage.
God dang, dude, what the fuck?